Hello, I'm Kathleen Sang. I'm the owner and creative director of Sunny Kilogram. It's important to know how to see which plugins that you have installed in your browser, just in case you need to modify or delete them. Today I'm going to show you how to view plugins in Chrome. Let's take a look. First, open up your Google Chrome browser, and let's go up to the menu bar here and click on Chrome. Scroll down to Preferences and choose that one. Okay. And now in this new window, we have a bunch of options here on the left-hand side, and we want the second one, extensions, because extensions are actually just plugins on Chrome, okay? So let's click on that, and on the right-hand side here, you should see a list of all the plugins that you have on Chrome. Okay, I only have one, but I can see the name of it and that it's enabled, and then I can also obviously delete it if I choose to. But I want to direct your attention to the URL bar up here. Notice that the address here says chrome://extensions. So this is very useful because if you can memorize this or just have it handily available somewhere, let's say you're anywhere, you're browsing CNN and you want to check your plugins. All you need to do is actually just go ahead and paste in that little address that we just talked about, hit enter, and you'll be taken to this exact page. So you won't have to go through the first process that we went through, which was to go to Chrome and hit Preferences and then find this window. Now you don't need to worry that you don't remember which plugins you already have, because it's easy to look it up. Thanks for watching. I'm Kathleen Sang. Until next time, take care.